All right, how y'all doing? I managed to pick up, well, I'm going to show you them, a kind of new pair of golf shoes. Um, I'll let you see them. Now, these are Under Armour. I managed to pick them up for £33. So let's just return the camera. There we go. Right, so here we go. That's from the above side. Under Armour there. Under Armour there. They're waterproof, and I think I can balance to show you the sole. Maybe not. Might have to take them off and show you. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll start hitting some shots, and I'll show you the sole when I'm hitting some shots. There's the sole. Ooh, hopefully you can see the sole. It's actually got a name. It's a specific name, Vibrasole, I think. They're absolutely comfy as. And very supportive. Gore-Tex lined, as always. You know me, I like the Gore-Tex. And like I say, Sports Direct on the website, direct to your door, delivered £33. I just, you know me. These will last, and the winter ones, I've got 2 years out of them. I'm going to have to replace them, but we'll see how long these last. I reckon they'll last a year, easy. So we'll get some balls. We'll edit this all together. Maybe hit a couple of the in-assist balls again, just to see what they're like in the bay. And try and get warmed up. I've got the mic in a different position today, just because I think I was sniffling a bit too much the other time, but it's either that or it's hay fever with the pollen from the trees. So, back to what we've been drilling. You can hold your club here, and that gives you your feedback. See here, bang. And then if you go down, you can feel where that is. And then repeat that whilst warming up. And I am still surprised about these golf balls. Because really, the only thing, and a couple of you in the comments have commented the exact same thing. You know what? The most off-putting factor about these is the actual matte finish. And you can't see the dimples as clearly as another ball. I can't remember who left that in the comments, but you're 100% correct. It just doesn't look like a real golf ball. It flies fine, it flies higher. The feel of them's alright, but would you adjust to the look of them? Would you? Because they look, that's the thing, they look pretty awful, but they perform better than they look. But I know the other thing, I know it's something that shouldn't make it, but see how they've only got one side of the ball with a name and the other side's blank? It's not a good look. got to do something. I think even if they don't, even if they didn't put the name on the other side, if they put the alignment line on the other side opposite, I don't know. Just such a weird looking, such a weird look on them. And I mean, for a £10 for a dozen. Somebody said these balls originally were $4.99 a dozen. So I don't know, but for winter golf, I would say absolutely. In the winter when it's frozen and that, and it's soft greens, I think these balls would be tremendous. So I think I'll be keeping them for the winter. I got them, obviously, to try for you guys watching the channel, and maybe you are on like a tight budget and you want to use golf balls that are a bit cheaper. I'm beginning to really not like these mats, especially when you're changing things. You want some accurate feedback, ideally. And this mat is just, it's a love-hate relationship with this mat. It's like I'm up here, oh. But yeah, so that has been like a couple of chats about things. You can see that, so your releases, that is going in there, and that is going under, down the line. So you're going under, down the line, which kind of looks... That's what I was saying about how good does your extension look just within 5-10 minutes of doing that drill. Because your extension is after the ball and it's down the line, flight line. So that is like really good there. So, yeah, it's worth doing. A quick alteration to the bag. I've got a 56 in the bag and this gap wedge, which we reckon the gap wedge is about 48 or 50 degrees. The wedge being 47, I believe, in the actual set. Might actually hit the wedge and see if I can notice any visible difference. Not the sand wedge, that's my normal sand wedge, but yeah, the wedge. Yeah, there isn't much loft difference. Bang. They do feel clicky off the face. While I'm here, let's just hit a couple of the new weapons that we got. The first one is the Adams Tight Lies Tour 18 degree with a serial number starting TT. And it's got the Aldila Phenon Feminon Rip stiff shaft. Oh, it does look a really, really good club. Not bad feel off it either. This is 18 degrees, but these go long. So this is like a lofted 3 wood. Not really warmed up yet. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh. Oh, backspin. Yeah. Oh yeah, that does feel good. Heavy, I'll tell you, it's heavy. Like as in overall swing weight heavy. Let's say D4, D5, easy. This could be helped if I put a mid-sized grip in it. But yeah, that swing's heavy. Right, let's try the secondary buy we got. We paid 12 quid for that. We paid £10 for this. And this is a Blimey Charlie club. So it's actually 24 degrees, called a DH Proto. It's got the Oban Tour Edition shaft in it. Oh, already. I like the look of it. I think I'll probably use this off the tee, possibly off the fairway. Oh, that's powerful. Blimey. I bet you this knocks it out a scary distance. It's got the speed channel. Both of them have got speed channels in the sole. Back way, that's got speed channels on the top and the bottom. We've done a video so you'll see them up close when I was doing the dishes. Oh, man, this feels hot. Let's have another. If you don't know about Oban shafts, Google them. Because the shaft alone's worth, well, we paid a tenner for the whole thing. The shaft's worth about minimum 100 quid. Right, so this is back to the, this is off the deck or off a tee instead of the driver. Feels alright. It's warming up, the sun's out on my back, feels good. Oh, that feels as good now that I'm warmed up. See, this is a weird one because it's got, I'll show you the close-up of this. This is like why TaylorMade acquired Adams. Speed slot here, right? And a massive speed slot here. So the actual crown and sole aren't connected in any way apart from a polymer across the face. There's a massive gap there, you can't really see it. So it obviously flexes. And obviously quite a boxy, compact design, but the top of it also, because it's got twin things here, it's very easy to square up. Cracking. Let's have another hit with the wee fairway finder for off the tee when you're no one to hit a, well, my new set's only 5-2 pitching wedge, so this kind of fills the gap of like a 3 iron, kind of 2 iron. Very forgiving. That was not out the middle. That was toe-ish. It's hollow. It feels, even with these Inesis balls, it feels, yeah, be interesting. hitting it with a half, premium ball, like a Homna. That's what I'm going to play today. Yeah, that feels good. Just feels solid. That's a close-up of that one, just before I end the video. Speed slot on the sole, kind of like, it looks like an iron, doesn't look like a hybrid, which a lot of good players like, because normal hybrids have so much offset, you tend to draw them. This is more like an iron, but more forgiving because it's got back weight. Again, this isn't even marked, it's just proto, as in prototype. And it's not got a number on it anywhere. And it's got the Oban shaft, hopefully pick that up. I reckon this has been in a pro's bag, like. So last shot, and thanks for watching the video, subscribing, helping the channel, all that. Remember, we're still up here and turning at the same time, the blend. Your job is just to blend those two simple moves. Thanks for watching. See, you can hide it in plain sight. Go back, check the videos, see what I'm on about. Try it for yourself. Varden 45, Mike Austin. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel.